The big brand sale is on at OK Furniture and it's too good to miss. Enjoy massive savings on brands you know and love. And when you spend 2,999 or more, you'll stand a chance to win one of 20 shopping sprees worth 50,000 rands. Browse our catalog and grab your favorites before the 4th of May 2025. While stocks last, T's and C's apply.
Itiski TV powered by World Sports Betting. Itiski Times.co.za. So what's your derby? Got 2025, 2026, or is it 2024, 2025? And the Arsenal I lost ever since in the Premier League careful in Rondo. And the Arsenal season more.
2024, 2025 or 2025, so 2024, 2025 shade.
On in number 2026, okay. But guys, this is FNB Stadium where Orlando Pirates have just completed a double over Kaizer Chiefs. I first leg at this very same stadium. Up we win 1-0. Late penalty Katito Masonganye. Namhlanje they completed a double over Kaizer Chiefs. Orlando Pirates winning by 2-1. And I've got Ubobo analyst here to Itiski TV. Usfatela umdlalo namhlanje. Bomsini, kunjani mfowethu?
Shane ngiyabonga uthami ithi ngibulise uTK uthami. Uyabona namhlanje uyakhona ukukhuluma.
No mfethu yazi ivoice ayikabuyi ngisetroms but ke i-victory yeSoweto derby will always be sweet.
Ihambe nobani? Ihambe noChibawe or ihambe nomdlali ofana noMaela? Ivoice yakho Shane.
Uhleli kum in the first couple of days, but it's fine. What was it? We are here, brother. We are here.
Yeah.
We just witnessed a game and it gone by. It should have been a score that was higher than 2-1, but the score iphelele 2-1. E-books zitsho kanjalo. Ubona njalo umdlalo namhlanje wena?
Yeah, Shane, remember this is a derby game, Shane. One of the big game around the continent. So yes, ngaba khona lawo magoli siwadinge abe maningi but ukhumbule ukuthi kunokucabangela uNkulunkulu akasisilimo ucabangela abalandeli. Imagine if Orlando Pirates can score many goals kule game ubona iChiefs struggle ngalendlela. Do you think abalandeli beOrlando beKaizer Chiefs bangakhona ukukumela lokho lo? No, because at the end of the day le score ngiyacabanga ukuthi right kakhulu for iderby efana nale because uyabona iChiefs iyastrugglisha right now. So akumelanga ukuthi ungaba nederby ye-heavy score. I think angeke balandeli babe safe ngale ndlela. So Shane, mina angazi man ngiye ngacabanga ngathi maybe uma ngibona ucoach weKaizer Chiefs, coach Nabi, the way afika ngakhona, yes bafika ngama 4-2-3-1 both teams but ngibona iChiefs iqale nje kahle before ithola lela goal, you understand? Then ngayibona iChiefs idlala kahle after scoring. Inkinga ibe khona when they concede le goal equalizing yeOrlando Pirates. Bona uMakhupa athatha le run balibeka nje la behind the defense. La khona vele khona uMakhupa njenge striker, good finisher kuMakhupa. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi le game Shane iPirates igcine yayithatha le game. Ya dominate iPirates because of ngibona iKaizer Chiefs after lapho. Yes bebadlala umdlalo ofana no give credit nangu umdlalo ofana noNgcobo. I think they played very well man. Bano badlalile man. Abazange babe nema mistake. uNgcobo yes wayenzile la kuluza amabhola but akaluzanga amabhola too much. I think badlale kahle kakhulu Shane. Ubheke the problem yeKaizer Chiefs Shane namandla ngisasho. I-defense yeKaizer Chiefs inenkinga kakhulu. Ngiyasho ngithi ama suspension nama injuries. Ngasho early this season uma iqala iChiefs ithola lama injuries ngathi ama injuries kuKaizer Chiefs nama suspension azoyilimaza iKaizer Chiefs because bheka manje umsimangu ku injury nangu cross ucethe ukuthola red card and le red card beka deserve ukuyithola ima kancane ngonkotha Shane bekamnikeza inkinga Brian mangifuna ukutshela manga yes udlale right umdlalo ofana no cross party khumbule 50-50 unkotha bekafikile because beyashiya lesa space for unkotha. What I like ngaleya first 20 minutes ngeChiefs when Chiefs attack, if mhlawumbe umdlalo ofana noSolomon uye mhlawumbe uattackayo then beba keep shape umdlalo ofana noCross angakhuphuki bangakhuphuki ngama full backs out too. Why? Because of bebazi ukuthi bafuna le rest defense kumdlalo ofana nobani noCross bese kungene the two center back but same apply nangapha if uCross mhlawumbe ufuna ukujump center uyambona uSolomon bekangakhuphuki kakhulu. Enye into Shane engibonile ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs bakhoste kakhulu uLilepo Shane bafuna ukumdlalisa ngama areas ball while abantu ekumele ba-assist uLilepo badlalela kude too much. Umdlalo bengimbona afika kuLilepo umdlalo ofana no Shabalala. uShabalala bekazama ukufika ukuthi azothola lawo ma second ball if mhlawumbe uLilepo yalo and uyabheka uLilepo uma bamnikeza ama areas ball baya contesta badlala abafana nabombokazi bayamfikela badlala abafana naboXoki then uluza ibhola bafika yila khona uma ubona uSirino mhlambe noModi bafikile ngibonile le first half nalaba vele khona bazama ukujoina noLilepo ila nkhani Chiefs ngathi ibe threat kuOrlando Pirates but overall badlala kude nomdlalo ofana noLilepo uzodlala kanjani uLilepo as a lone striker today because bekadlala as a center la khona sibone a shifter sometimes abuya ku left abonakala ngathi uyazama ukuthi afuna ukwenza ama box entries but the way Orlando Pirates be defender ngakhona it was not easy for team efana neChiefs ukuthi benga breaker because siyambona nomdlalo ofana nobani the center back uMakhawula bekabuya uMakhawula abuya I mean the central midfield abuya zo eta lapha ku center back uMakhawula uma ngabe abona ukuthi ba overloadele la side because uModi siyambona akakhona ukufika why because most of the time uconcern ngalela side la kabani la cross bekaya deep sometimes ay defend umdlalo ofana noNkotha and benzani abadlala bafana noHoto noNkotha bebadlala wide bangavuma ukuthi bavule lesa space ukuthi uShandu nomdlalo ofana no bathu bani ntwana uMako bakhona ukover bebavela sometimes abo Mako noShandu why because of abo Hoto bebadlala wide ukhumbula ukuthi uHoto namhlanje beyangapha then umdlalo ofana no ubando umfukeng uyangena ungena phakathi kancane uvula lesa space ba changeana sometimes omunye uya ku side omunye uyangena ngaphakathi but give credit to Orlando Pirates. I think to collect a maximum point against the Chiefs, even though we born strikingly Chiefs, but ngiyacabanga Orlando Pirates they defended very well. Badlala bafana ne center back central midfield uMakhawula. I think udlale kahle kakhulu Shane uMakhupa the way begenza ngakhona coming from striking force. Yes, bekuba nzima ukuthi ubone ukuthi uMakhupa iPirates ngalithola lelo goal ngani because of ubaleka kakhulu but ukudrop abaleka kakhulu ila khona boKwinik ubona ngathi babonakala ngathi ba comfortable because abanayo leyo pressure mhlamba abafakela yona but give credit kulabo badlali abafana nabo Makhupa. I think he did very well kunama chances awa mistile Shane ubonile but angiboni man ithi ngikhulume ngocoach Orlando Pirates. I think okunye ukudisrespect iKaizer Chiefs. You can't bring 6 yama DDC players playing against Kaizer Chiefs. Ngithe ngiya counter ngibona angazi lentwana ubani uLedlozi then kunomfukeng nomdlalo ofana noNkotha kunombokazi kunentwana efana no bathu bani uRadio Pane ne came as a sub then kulentwana le angathi uSilepe came as a sub 6 players abacetelele yonke lento la and Shane khumbula ukuthi ngabe iPirates iluzile abalandeli beOrlando Pirates including you Shane benzo complain anithi why afaka amaKhokomelon too much angakwazi ukumanage game but now because of Pirates winile I don't think bayakubona lokho he brings 6 players from DDC. I think these guys beba forced Chiefs ukuthi defend deep ingasakhona ukubuya the way afake labadlali abane speed ngakhona aba skillful ustop iKaizer Chiefs to add numbers going forward because kumele bacabange nokuthi okay labafana bane pace ubonile kungena kwala machita kunama chances aba createile I think umdlalo ofana no ubani uSilepe I think asaqeda ungena oRadio Pane kunebhola lenilibonile ukuthi wasave umdlalo ugoalkeeper wedan uvuma uyabona so for me I think coach we Orlando Pirates he did very well today Shane namhlanje.
Yazi, there's a moment in Funauta ngayo the first 20 minutes yomdlalo namhlanje you saw how Kaizer Chiefs started the game namhlanje. I was even confused. I was asking myself, is Orlando Pirates playing against Kaizer Chiefs because they were knocking the ball around, they had the confidence up until that moment when Orlando Pirates equalized, then the whole Kaizer Chiefs team collapsed. Do you think mhlawumbe indaba yeKaizer Chiefs inayo indaba yokwenza neconfidence yabo ukuthi once ba concede because you must remember in the last game against Marimo Gallants they scored first, Marimo Gallants equalized and then they ended up winning the game. iKaizer Chiefs ngaba inayo ingxaki ukuthi once ba concede then iconfidence yabo ya drop.
Yeah, banayo lento le and especially baqala ukudropa basengaka concede because they failed to manage the game. Remember Kaizer Chiefs ike leader la FNB nge 2-0 ku Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates came back, scored 3 goals. You understand? So ngiyacabanga ukuthi banayo lenkinga Shane abadlali beKaizer Chiefs. Ngiyacabanga leyo leadership inside the field iya shota kulabadlali beKaizer Chiefs ukuthi mhlawumbe mangabe ba leader yiphi indlela kumele badlale ngayo. So ngiyacabanga mina Shane njengoba ngikutshela ukuthi I team efana neKaizer Chiefs kuba nzima for bona Shane. iKaizer Chiefs ukwenza iSundowns nePirates babe ipresident nedeputy president bala ku Betway hibo because they are always giving away ama 6 point kulama team. Remember even last season Sundowns ina 6 point, Pirates 6 point, namanje 6 point. Uexpecteni kulama qembu awu2 azohlala kuzoba nepresident and nedeputy at the end of the day because iChiefs siyayibona ukuthi lokhu ya donate kulawo ma team and it's difficult for bona njengoba baku number 9 ungahleki Shane. I'm serious ngisemsebenzini pheka enye into ngifuna ukukutshela yona Shane. I don't know ukuthi ucoach weChiefs uplay ne too much ngefinal okanjani because ngibabonile abadlali abafana nabocela I thought mhlambe is injured.
Sorry ndingaqhawulanga bendisaya kuloo ndawo before wenze le point yakho, what do you think was the idea ka-coach Nabi ukuthi aqale ngocele uDupreez ebenchini?
Shane ukhumbule ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs ina 9 years I think and 11 months without a trophy. I think uconcern ngendaba final to save ucele nabo Castillo. Yes, uCastillo simbonile abuya last udlale kahle, but ngiyacabanga ukuthi ukusave umdlalo ofana nocele is because of I rather lose the 3 point ngihambe ngiyenzani ngiyothatha final because mhlambe ukuya ngayo usane chance ku top 8. Kaizer Chiefs isane chance because kunama team afana nabo Chippa, they're still going to play nabo Sundowns. It might happen balose le 6 point ku Sundowns awazi. Kunama team afana nabo Golden Arrows basafuna kudlala ne Orlando Pirates. It might happen balose le ya 6 point. So maningi ama team asazodistepana like today. Aba SuperSport bayadlala nabo Chippa United basazobambana, so iChiefs isane chance for top 8. Maybe ubona ngathi une chance ku top 8 unlike le trophy. Nami kuyimi coach Nabi I rather lose le 3 point namhlanje ngilande le trophy if definitely sure uzoyiwina le Nedbank Cup ukuthi iye eside the Chiefs because sekusikhathi Chiefs ngathatha trophy. Shane,
Orlando Pirates in the last 2 games before Sival, TKJ has just given us a signal. Before Sival, in the last 2 games, you saw Orlando Pirates conceding, especially in set pieces. We saw against the Pyramids. We saw also last week against Isikukuni. How would you rate them, namhlanje? But Dilenjani set pieces, namhlanje. Because I saw a couple of corners, the Kaizer Chiefs, and also a couple of free kicks. But Dilenjani naso namhlanje.
Shane, defense Pirates namhlanje they did very well. Uma ungabheka ngizange ngibone la khona uma kune set piece ngibone mhlambi attack Chiefs izohead ngibona uChina asave bekungasika ngako always be clear lama ball and in Kaizer Chiefs ngibone ngathi ayinayo plan kuma set piece ukuthi le set piece kwangathi abana plan ukuthi senzane ngaleyo because wonke lama ball awina i-defense Orlando Pirates. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi ba defende kahle kakhulu today njengoba ngihlala ngisho ngithi the big three bane problem most of the time ukudefenda lawo ma set piece, but give credit to Orlando Pirates today. I think they defended very well, but before uyivala Shane mina ngizobuza wena namanje njengoba simile last ngizoyila ukukhuluma ngendaba ye league ukuthi ehambile. Ngiyakubuza namhlanje siniswela ucede uwina igame iKaizer Chiefs iSundowns isayodlala ngo8 uthini nge league Shane, ihambile league or wena ucaba ukuthi Orlando Pirates ngasaywina le league?
Bobo ndicela uthathe enye indawo ndibona kukhona usiso lapha ngicela uze ngapha before ndivale uBobo ndibuza umbuzo interesting and lo mbuzo nibuza wena uzawuphendula nguwe. Uyabuza lo bhuti ukuthi last week mina benthe ileague ihambile, so namhlanje niyibethile iKaizer Chiefs, so umbuzo wakhe uyabuza ukuthi senigive up ile nakho ileague uthini wena?
Ara give up ko league re sampana kana le hope ya go week re ka ile wina re ka itse ya league league
usenethemba ukuthi nisayibambe league.
Yes, somebody can tell you.
Thank you so much. Enkosi kakhulu.
Okay, before hamba Shane, ngicela umbuze, ucabanga ukuthi Sundowns ikhona igame ezoyiluza yini kulama game asele ku Betway?
Yeah, somebody to lose vele. I get yadlala today Sundowns. So I can lose a little today and then re na le hope somebody ka tsetsa league. League somebody bulehile.
And ilose le team badlala nayo namhlanje bayayazi, Okay.
Ngiyabonga Shane, ngiyabonga, I'm answered.
Well, that's it. FNB Stadium. It's Orlando Pirates 2, Kaizer Chiefs 1. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Danko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.